Record.
Alright. With Halloween right around the corner, I figured I'd make a video showing how to carve the perfect pumpkin. Step one is picking the perfect pumpkin. Go ahead and you gotta get all the guts out. Then we'll take it, carve a design on the front of it so you know what to carve. And the next step, which is very important, you have to choose what knife you're going to use to carve your pumpkin. Well, I can't think of a more perfect knife than a suppressed Tikka T3. Now everybody knows carving a pumpkin can be pretty nasty and messy. I don't like to get my hands dirty. I'll show you the way I like to do it. Here we go. That's a beautiful, beautiful pumpkin right there.